Hi, my name is Steven Sherlin. I am a project manager for America's Home Place out of Statesville, North Carolina. The most rewarding home I've built was for an elderly couple who owned the property for about 15 years. And they came to us wanting us to build them a custom home, and they were very thrilled with the whole sales process, the build process from start to finish. They told me several times when we were on the job that, I'm building their forever home, and they are just truly grateful for everything that we were able to do for them through the whole process and keeping the job under budget. And by the end of the job, they were so thrilled with the relationship that I've built with them that they wanted to bake me a cake, just for their appreciation of building their home. And that meant a lot to me, because growing up, that was just something, neighborly that you did, and you don't really hear many people doing that kind of stuff anymore. My name is Steven Sherwin. I'm project manager with America's Home Place out of Statesville, North Carolina.